I've been training techs for the last 30. Most every shop I come into, I'm hired as help as a trainer or as the lead tech in the shop. Welding certified by Mercedes, BMW certified, carbon fiber certified, got Tesla certified when they first started doing their certification. So Cadillac, Volvo, I can go on. iCar classes, I'm platinum all the way across the board in every category. The more training that you have and the more influx you have, the more revenue you would generate. You take the guesswork out of doing the job. A lot of the guys have worked with Carolina before, but they haven't had a lot of experience with how far they can go with it. I help them on a daily basis when they put vehicles up there. They have questions about anything. We go over, first of all, selecting the proper vehicle. Sometimes on some vehicles they have 6 or 8 different models, and pretty much it's just a matter of measuring the wheelbase. Also checking to make sure that you've got the system set up correctly, putting in the clamps correctly, do appropriate pulls on the vehicle. How to tie the vehicle down, or in addition to where the clamping systems are, there's additional clamps and additional posts that can be added to the bench that secure the vehicle so you're only pulling a certain area instead of pulling the car all back and forth. So that way you're isolating the repair to the repair area. So those are things that I go with them on. It's a very intuitive system. The software is very up to date. The guys that we have here have got experience with it, but they're, like I said, they haven't gone to the extent of how far the equipment can take them.